Welcome to a journey where we decipher the aspects that often unknowingly keeps many in the arduous cycle of poverty. Somehow, society has programmed many of us to accept less and believe that poverty is inevitable. From being unintentionally conditioned to view frugality ineffectively to lack opportunities to create lucrative income, poverty becomes a recurring theme. But envision a world where access to cutting-edge technology can equip anyone to break through these barriers. That's where ShineRanker, an innovative AI tool, steps in, transforming this vision into a reality. ShineRanker helps in generating videos, a service that's seen massive growth and demand in recent years. Deftly navigate out of the cycle of poverty and walk the path toward a financially secure future with ShineRanker AI. If you're inspired to learn how to produce high-quality, engaging videos like this, click the link in the description to try out ShineRanker AI for just $1. Transmute your world pixel by pixel.